How to enable or disable AI Highlight Assistant on Insta360 X5. So on your device, scroll down to your control panel. Then you will see AI Highlights Assistant. Tap on it. Now over here, if you turn on the toggle for AI Highlights Assistant, you can see that this feature automatically recognizes and tags highlights in videos for faster editing in the application. Now, once you turn on this feature, all the other features will be enabled as well. Now, in order to turn this feature off, just simply turn off the toggle in order to disable it. So follow these easy steps in order to enable or disable AI Highlight Assistant on Insta360 X5. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.